operations. In math, what are the operations in math? Does anybody know? Sure, I'll just tell you. In math, you can do 4 things. You can add, or the operation of addition. Maybe you'll see where it's going from here. You can subtract, or the operation of subtraction. You can multiply, or you can divide. Does that sound familiar? A little bit? And the only reason I give you this is because there are different parts of those problems that you'll need to know. For example, an addition problem, 8 plus 6 is 14. What is the answer to an addition problem called? The mathematical word, Wade, is a sum, S-U-M. And the 2 things that get added together, because you can mix them around, 8 plus 6 is the same as 6 plus 8, they have the same name. Anybody know what they are? Ellen?
A fact family?
They are not. This whole thing is a fact family, but that's not what these are called. In an addition problem, those things are called addends. We actually get to fact families coming up here. So you're in the ballpark there, Ellen.
Okay.
So don't feel horrible, just really bad. Under subtraction, something like this, 16 minus 9 is 7. These are little known facts. I would bet most of you don't know, you know some of these. You know the answer to a subtraction problem is? Anybody? Fine, I'll tell you, it's the difference. You know, if you ask somebody what the difference in ages are, that's like a subtraction problem. But these 2 you probably definitely don't know. The top problem, the big number that you're subtracting from on a subtraction problem is called the, yeah, I didn't think so. It's called the minuend. Nice trivia thing. Are you smarter than a 5th grader? That would be one of the questions. Not to be mixed up with the thing that you subtract, which is called the subtrahend. Subtrahend. That's the thing that gets as good as subtract. Isn't that exciting?
Yeah.
When you ask what you learned at school today, you can certainly say I learned that. Multiplication is easy. 6 times 8 is 48. You probably know these. The 2 things that get multiplied together are called? Maybe not. 2 things that get multiplied together are called? Wow. Factors. And the answer to a multiplication problem is called? We got that one there. Product. So if we ask you what the product of 6 and 8 is, that means you multiply. And then one again you probably don't know very well is subtraction or division, sorry. In a division problem, let's say you have 15 divided by 3 is 5, or 15 divided by 3 is 5, or 15 divided by 3 is 5. You may know what the answer to a division problem is called. Anybody? Wow. We are learning so much in 6th grade today. Sorry, what's Paul?
Dividend?
No, that was over here somewhere, wasn't it? Oh, the dividend is there somewhere, but it's not the answer. You're right. Sorry. Answer is the Abram? Quotient, yes. Now, Carter, I'm going to give you a shot at this. There is a dividend there. Which of the other 2 is the dividend? The 15 or the 3?
3.
That's unfortunate. The dividend is actually the first one, the big number. That's the dividend. And the other number you find in your car when it's really sunny out.
Divisor.
Yes, you put down divisor.
Oh.
See, it took a while, didn't it? You can explain it to the rest of them later. Just remember, you know, these things shift places when they're over here. You still need to know that this is the quotient, this is the dividend, that's the divisor. Divisor, quotient, dividend. They'll ask you questions. They'll ask you what is the what is the dividend when the quotient is 7 and the divisor is 8? Or whatever, you need to make sure you know those, because you'll have to fill in the blanks on that. Actually, I should find a problem if they ask you that. Maybe they don't ask you that. But they ask you all those sort of questions. Oh, perfect. Okay, then take out a blank piece of paper again. Interestingly enough.